back to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and thanks for being here. Today we are kicking off the first video in our holiday series and we are so excited. We're going to be making a broccoli and rice casserole dish. It's very cheesy and it's delicious, y'all. We're going to talk about the ingredients, but first we're going to ask if you could please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever we upload another video. Alright, so let's talk about our ingredients. Now we've gone ahead and cut up 5 heads of fresh broccoli. This equates to about 8 cups. And we have freshly grated some cheddar cheese. We also have some Parmesan cheese, and you may notice little specks of cheddar in there, but it's okay. It's all going to the same place and it's going to be melted down. And we've cut up 1 large onion, 1 medium large onion. And these are our seasonings. And of course, if you make this, you can use whatever seasonings that you like, but these are the ones that we're going to be using today. We're also only going to be using half of this stick of butter, and we're going to grate this garlic clove as well. So we also have some cream cheese, love cream cheese, roasted red peppers. We have a little bit of flour. We also have some Velveeta cheese we're going to be using, and we have some whole milk. In addition to all of this, we also have prepared ahead some jasmine rice. So we're going to go ahead and get our onions sauteed down and get our cheeses melted and get all of our other ingredients incorporated. All right, let's head over to the stove. All right, y'all, so I'm over at the stove and I'm going to add in my diced onion. Grate my garlic. I don't think I've ever grated garlic before. So I'm going to saute this a little bit and then I'll be back to add in the flour. Alright, so now I'm going to add in my flour. I think I'm going to add a little bit more butter to that too. I'm going to do the milk, okay? Okay, so this sauce has gotten to the thickness that we like, and so we're going to start adding in our cream cheese. This is actually, we're going off of Ree Drummond's recipe, but we're just making a few changes to it. Alright, so I've added in my cream cheese and I'm going to add in some Parmesan. And a little specks of cheddar.
Parma cheddar.
Right. Okay, so my cheeses are kind of melting down a little bit, so I'm gonna preheat our oven to 350. And now I'm gonna add in the seasonings. So this is some seasoned salt. Of course, you want to be careful when using salt with cheese, because some cheeses contain a lot of salt and some don't, so just be mindful of that. Then I'm going to add in some paprika. That don't taste like nothing.
Just really pretty.
Yeah. Some pepper. I'm always
light-handed on the pepper. So, Ma, what you think?
That's good. Yeah, your dad likes pepper. And I don't either. I like it, but I don't like a lot of it. But he can never have enough.
That's garlic powder, and then parsley is the last thing I'm going to add in. Then I'm going to mix it up and add in the other cheeses. Okay, so we tasted our sauce. It tastes delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to add in the remaining cheeses. Now I'm going to add in our cheddar. And you want to save some to go on top. Okay, so this is what our sauce is looking like. We're about to add in our broccoli.
That looks amazing.
Yes,
And it's perfectly seasoned.
yes. It's this is the consistency on it.
Nice and creamy.
Okay, so now once this is mixed up, she added in pimentos, some diced pimentos to hers, but we decided to use some roasted red bell peppers. Okay, so our broccoli mixture is ready to be layered with our rice, so we're going to start doing that. So we'll see you over back at the counter. Okay, so I have my first layer of rice in the bottom of my pan. I'm using a 9x13. So now I'm just making sure that my layer is flat and even, making sure it's in the corners so that there's rice in every bite. If you use jasmine rice, you'll really be able to taste the flavor of the rice in the dish.
Yes. Great
So
flavor.
if you like jasmine rice, we highly recommend using it in this
You won't regret
recipe.
it.
So now I'm doing my broccoli mixture, and it may look thick, but that's what you want because once you put it in the oven, it'll get bubbly and melt even more.
Right.
So you'll see them at the end. But
Yeah, the layer, because of how it melts down, the layers really help it to get mixed in really well together.
right,
So
it's just goodness.
this
in
is a
the
great
pan.
recipe.
So once I'm finished layering, I'm gonna put some cheese on it, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then we'll be back. Okay, this is what we're looking like after about 30 to 35 minutes.
Cheesy goodness.
Yes, it's bubbling, and I didn't wait. You know how you gotta wait after you make mac and cheese. I didn't wait to scoop into this stuff. It was delicious.
It's so good. I love that it's seasoned so well. This dish, you can taste everything in it. The onion flavor, the vegetable, the broccoli, of course, and the peppers and the seasonings that we used.
Yeah.
It's just a really great recipe, and everything incorporated nicely. All the cheese melted down, and it was just the right amount of everything in it.
Yes.
So
I definitely definitely would suggest making this for your holiday season.
Oh yeah.
Whether it be Thanksgiving or Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed the video, or if you have any questions or anything. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, family, cousins, whoever.
Yes. Tell everybody that we're on here. We're here in our mix.
Please. So we'll see you guys in the next video for our holiday series.
Thank you guys. See you next time.